When you hear groninger, you probably associate the name to our machines. But there's much more to it. It's our local presence, it's our global expertise combined with our full commitment, but our biggest asset, it's our people.
Our customers love the personal touch that they get at Groninger USA. It's very important that we have the resources in the US to service our customers in this territory.
We have about 30 years of experience in the industry, so there's a lot of expertise that we can draw from.
We serve North America, which means the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Customers in North America having that access to a local office is very useful for them to help them during business hours and also after hours.
We build long-term partnerships, not just machines.
The way we support our customers in North America is through what we define as our equipment life cycle. So those are things like customer trainings, production support, proactive maintenance, and then also engineering solutions like format parts or modernization packages. And all of this happens right here in Charlotte because we do know that local matters.
We've established a great local key supplier base.
We've doubled our manpower. We've invested so much money on new equipment for manufacturing in-house. The growth has been huge and fast.
We service our customers anywhere from field service needs to retrofits, redesigns, new functions on their machines, new parts.
We have all the resources that we need here to complete engineering projects. I think that really sets us apart, both in terms of reducing the lead time and reducing costs for our customers.
Primarily what we've really beefed up is our stocking of raw materials. Obviously with the new building that's coming in, that's going to offer much larger stocking capabilities for us.
Our technicians are positioned to be within a 2-hour flight to every customer.
We've been making continuous investments in critical equipment, expanding our facility. More robotic cells, more 5-axis, more turn centers. It reassures that this company is going to be here for a while.
My favorite thing working at Groninger USA is the people.
Just seeing so many other diverse people and personalities here all working together to do one job is pretty impressive. It's really like a family here.
It's very exciting to come to work every day knowing that we make a difference, that what we do here and our response time directly benefits those in need of life-saving medications in certain cases.
It's little pieces that you're part of, but you're contributing to a big picture, an essential picture.
I'm proud of what I'm doing. I'm very thankful, and it's just amazing to see the growth.
We are Groninger.
Wir sind Groninger.
Somos groninger.
Mi Groninger vagyunk.
I'm groninger.
We are Groninger.